Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, I have received another one. I kind of feel like Forrest Gump in a way. It's like, instead of a box of chocolates, it's like, Mama said life's like a open on YouTube box. You never know what you're gonna get. So here we go. This came from Canada. I'm not even sure yet who sent it because the address that's on it isn't a particular person. So I hear some parts rattling around. Hopefully they're supposed to sound like that, but we will see. Yeah, this is very cool. Thank you to whoever sent it in advance, and I'm sure in here it will explain who you are. Let me get this paper out of here first and see what I'm doing. So, what may it be? I wasn't expecting this, so I ain't got a clue. But I do see it's like the bottom of a model kit box. Almost looks like that. I don't know. Let's get in this thing. I really love the mystery box kind of things. This is really cool. Oops. This stuff thrills the heck out of me. Okay, it was not a kit box, but it was just protection there. Alright, what we got here first? Shane. Here's some, he says, hi Matthew, here's some free stuff. I know. Here's some free stuff. I know how you like free stuff. Hey Shane, everybody likes free stuff. Enclosed is a very unique to Canada and Northwest Territories. It's a polar bear license plate. Well, that's awful cool. No other country has that design display in your shop. I absolutely will. I have the main door that comes into my shop. I have license plates on it. Also, they're diesel modeler paints, made in Canada. Also, monogram paints in 3 kits. Holy cow! Thank you. Thank you for your channel, Shane. I haven't even seen what's in here, and I want to say thank you so much for your thoughtfulness to send me this stuff. Here's the license plate. This is cool. Shane, you could have read my mind. Oh, it looks like a bear. Okay, sweet. Look at that. The Northwest Territory. I've never had a Canadian license plate, nor one that looks like a bear. That is too cool, man. Thank you so much. What is the year of this? I wonder what the year model is. It doesn't really matter. Wow, that's as cool as any model kit. Thank you so much, Shane. Man, that is something. All right, look here. So, okay, right here in the middle. Oh, these are those little can paints. Okay, so I've seen Kim's Custom Garage over in Denmark. My friend Kim, he's got some little cans of paint that look a lot like these. I don't know if they are the same, but these are let's see, Humbrol enamel. So there's a gold. Gold. Here is a sea blue clear. Oh, there. Okay, monogram. I got you. Okay, I see now. So monogram was. I have never seen these before. You are right. That is cool. Look at that, guys. Metal coat. Satin gold. There's liquid in there. Thank you, man. That is too cool. Never. Oh, be cool if we had cans here in the States. I mean, we have bottles, but cans pretty cool. And here is diesel modeler acrylic resin. Acrylic resin, bright red, black, white, just red, Action Red, CPR Action Red, and Primer Gray. I'll have to check into this diesel modeler. Never, ever, ever heard of that stuff. How many of you guys have heard of this, besides if you're from Canada? That's neat. Thank you so much. I'm shocked because this stuff is so like new to me. I don't even know what to say, but thank you. I'm definitely going to look into it. All right, let's see what we got here. Revell Continental Mark III with movable hood, exact scale engine, chassis, and 2 figures. What scale is this? I guess until I get in it. So this is not an original 1956, but it has the copyright 1956, and it has been reissued in 1995. Revell monogram. That's really cool. Thank you so much. I'm not going to open it because we may save that for another video. It's really cool. I've never, don't know if I've ever seen this kit. You know, I've seen some of these older box arts like this, similar. I've not seen this one. I gotta take a quick sneak peek, guys. I gotta know what scale it is. It's 1/25th scale. Okay, that'll be a box opening. Very cool. Thank you, Shane. And here is a 53 Starliner coupe. Well, guess what? This is the first Studebaker model kit that I've got. I don't have a Studebaker, so this is very cool. AMT Ertl, so that's probably early 90s. Yep, 1990. Oh, and who would want to build it like that when you can build it like that? And that's a nice looking car. Sweet. Thank you so much. You guys don't know how much I appreciate this. I truly do. It's amazing the generosity that's within our modeling community. And I say community, community's big. Oh, well, Austin Powers. So Revell Austin Powers Corvette convertible with Felicity Shagwell, the Felicity Shagwell figure. That's funny. Yeah, baby. Right there he is. That's cool. So this is a 2000 release of what is it? 60. We're going to guess here. I'm not good at Corvette dates, but I'm just going to say 65. It doesn't say on the front here. So how close am I to what year this is? What year is it? I'm going to say 65, and let me see if on the instructions here it says, because I ain't got a dang clue. Doesn't seem to want to tell us what year. Alright, so in the description of the video, in the comment section, let me know what this is. What year model Corvette. Thank you, Shane, from Canada, from the far Arctic North and the polar bear region of Canada, where they even make their car tags look like a polar bear because it's so darn cold up there during the winter. I mean, really, if you've got a tag that looks like a polar bear, that means there's probably a good chance that there are real polar bears there. And I don't know if those things are dangerous from what I've seen. I mean, they can take like a little seal or something and just chew him in half with one bite. But yeah, Shane, my friend, thank you so very much. These are going to be enjoyed. I'll put on the shelf, looked at for a while, but I'm getting into the mood to want to build stuff when I get it. And I know, I mean, I'm no dummy, but when someone sends me something, they'd rather see me build it than it sit on the shelf, and I can't blame them. So here are some kits that I can open up. Hey, none's wrapped in plastic either, so that's good. But I could open these up, and that'll be a great kit. And I know it's a Revell Corvette. It's going to be nice. And these old kits here, multi-piece body, makes you want to hit yourself in the head with a hammer really hard. But they are so much fun because you're getting to relive 1956. Not relive, getting to live 1956. I always say relive. Not unless you were building models then or were alive in 56, but I can go back to 1956. All this is a repop, 95 repop. I can go back to 1956 and know exactly how the poor guy that bought this one at the little grocery store felt when he got home. But I want to do them justice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. It is truly an honor to know that I have so many people that consistently watch this stuff, which I kind of find it interesting that people would even watch this stuff, but to do so, be so generous in giving up parts of your stash to me. Yeah, words can't express, and I'm so grateful for all of my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that subscription button if you don't mind before you leave. Helps me out tremendously. Like the video if you liked it. I like all this stuff, and that is cool. Thank you, Shane. Guys, we'll see you on the next one, but don't forget, before I go, to check out hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description below. Check out Mark's inventory of all his kits, his paints. He doesn't have Polar Bear license plates, but he's got paints, he's got kits. Go check out those things, hobbynutmodels.com. Facebook group, it's a Model Car Videos Facebook group. Go over there, check that out. Join if you haven't already. The Spring Store, I want to say a big thank you to you all that buy t-shirts, stickers, coffee mugs, and all those things. I'm surely grateful for you that do that. And to my Patreon members, I really appreciate you guys. Everyone that's watching this video right now, thank you, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.